Hi there! Today, we're going to learn some fun facts about farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Now this is a cow. Did you know that cows are very social animals? They like to be with other cows and they have best friends, just like us. Cows are also very intelligent and can remember things for a long time. They have a great sense of smell and can recognize different scents, including the scent of their own calves. This is a sheep. Sheep have excellent memories. They can remember up to 50 different faces, including the faces of other sheep and humans. Sheep are also very social animals and like to be with other sheep. Did you know that sheep have a unique way of communicating with each other? They use different vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions to express their emotion. This is a horse. Horses have a great sense of balance. They can stand and sleep on 3 legs, and they can run at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. Horses are also very intelligent and have excellent memories. They can remember different routes and landmarks, and they can even recognize the voices of their owners. This is a chicken. Chickens have a special way of communicating with each other. They make different sounds to warn each other of danger or to call their chicks. Did you know that chickens have very good memories? They can remember different faces, and they even have a sense of object permanence, which means they understand that objects continue to exist even when they can't see them. This is a pig. Pigs are very smart animals. They can learn tricks, and they can even play video games. Pigs are also very social and enjoy spending time with other pigs. Did you know that pigs can communicate with each other using more than 20 different sounds? They use different sounds to express their emotions and to communicate with other pigs. That's it for today. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.